What's up guys, it's me Peter. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be doing a review of the COMICA, a shotgun microphone from a new company on Amazon that they asking me a couple of weeks ago if I would like to do a review on their product, test it out their new mic, and I say yeah, why not? And they sent me the product, so yeah, finally, yes. And so today we are going to do an unboxing video of this, and we are going to test it out after we unboxing it. So let's jump into it. So we're gonna talk about a couple of things about this microphone, and plus this is going to be my new setup for the unboxing now, and laptop right here, my channel name and the YouTube logo on it. So yeah, so this mic got a couple of good feature. So what they call it's mini size, light and professional, and got the built-in what they call built-in metal. So yeah, it's really good, and you don't need any battery at all to power it. It's just powered by the camera that you plug in, or the smartphone and GoPro. That's right, they can use with what they call smartphone, GoPro and camera. So which is nice, and the price is under $50. Actually it's like $49.99. So yeah, and I will be doing a comparison to the Rode Video Micro, which they are the same size and look very similar to it. So let's jump into it. I've got my B-roll camera right over there, which you won't be able to see it, but I will try to do editing now, upgrade all the stuff, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. So let's jump into it. So just try to arrange my B-roll, hopefully it's in a frame, and we're gonna open it up. Okay, so this one comes with a case protection on it. Let me see, we got a case protection come with it. Also have the windscreen and the wind muff. Yes, that's right, they come with both. So one is like the carry thing, like that cat, that's what they call it, and one is just like the regular microphone wind muff. Alright, so in the box we got the, as always, all the product, paperwork, and user manual. Let's see. Okay, it's in Chinese, so, and English too, so yeah, nice. Okay, let's see. Operation in the box. Okay, so we don't need this. We're gonna just see what in the box right here. Yep, right here. Oh, now it's better. Oh my god. Wow, goes must be super dark in my video. Anyway, we're gonna open it up. First, they got a COMICA logo on it. I'm not sure you guys can see or not, but they also have the Pro Audio mic. So I believe that's something really good from this company. And wow, nice! They got everything here, so you guys can see area like this. The B-roll camera, good. Alright, and so in the box you got a shock mount, which you're gonna attach to your camera, which prevent from the sound, right? The camera sound, whatever. And what we have, I believe they call this is a windscreen, like that. So it's the foam that prevent from the windy when you're talking, or like the pop sound. Anyway, so this is the microphone itself. It's got a built-in metal which is very high quality. Really high quality. I'm not sure. I don't know what's wrong with the camera. It's not focusing. Oh no. Anyway, so it's a video microphone CVM-VM10 Mark II. So I'm really happy that they sent me this, because you guys know that I'm a small YouTuber, but believe that I almost reached we have like over 40,000 views on my channel. So yeah, really happy. Anyway, this is the mic cell and it's the wind muff, and they got the cable here. This one with the gray hat is for the for the smartphone. You plug into your smartphone. And the black one right here, which only have two ring, both have two ring. That's the one you plug in your camera, direct into the camera. And this is the wind muff, I believe. The hairy thing here. It looks so weird. The hairy thing. Ew. Anyway, we'll put all this aside and we are going to test it out right now. And I'm not sure my B-roll camera is so dark over there. Why are you so dark? Okay, so anyway, we're gonna plug in the cable right here. We're gonna set on the shock mount and we're gonna get ready, plug in the camera too, and we're gonna walk around outside, test it out, see how the quality is. I'm not sure how to put this. And by the way guys, they come with the two color, but I believe it's only the shock mount. The color is a black and red color. So yeah, nice. You don't need any battery, and it's really good. So we are going to find out now. Right here, small tiny thing. Nice, very good. So for no further ado, let's go outside. Alright guys, we are now at my bedroom, holding my camera now and testing out the new camera microphone from the COMICA. So it's a good company. They have like I think 4 or 5 stars on it, but for the price and the quality built in is really good. So yeah, you guys see my umbrella light. It's kind of like after the filming, and I'm still using my Canon T7i. So yeah, I'm gonna get a new lens soon. So yeah, let's jump into it. Okay, the room is very messy. What are you doing, Adam? Keep playing game. You play game? Yeah. Okay, fine. Stay there, okay? You don't go outside. Alright guys, so we are going outside right now to check out how good the audio is and show you guys some of the mess outside that the city haven't cleaned up yet because they too busy of the tree, all those stuff. So yeah. Oh, I think my sandal is wet. Alright guys, so the plywood still there, haven't taken it out yet, but all the room already taken it out. So yeah, so right here, look at that. You see the mess over there? That's all the mess. We got some roof damage, but it's not that much, not really that big deal. So yeah, I think they cutting the tree now. Our neighbor, oh my god. Our neighbor have a big tree drop down. Bad. Okay, so we are now outside in the backyard, and look at the tree house. It's not even straight anymore because of the wind that we got over here from Hurricane Irma. Everybody's still fixing up, chopping down the tree, and yeah, but at least we're safe. So I went to Atlanta, Georgia, so yeah, we don't want to stay here for that 100-mile-per-hour wind. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and also hope for the, I'm not sure, please comment down how the audio is. And don't forget, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next video. That will be pumping out more video soon because of we are taking this more seriously now, because I got all my gear, my setup, unboxing desk setup, and my what I call working desk setup, and all in the bedroom, one bedroom. So we'll be doing a video about that soon too. So yeah, one keep saying so crazy. Peace out.